Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the next of my Zombicide Undead or Alive playlist. This is Concepcion. I have primed her black and given her a white zenithal highlight. To get started, I base coat all of her clothing with Death Reaper. This is a dark grey similar to black grey and starts off the same but shows off some shadows once it starts highlighting up still. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. To start highlighting the clothing, I went for Cold Corpse Blue, pretty much covering the entire mini again, just leaving that darker colour in the recesses. The last highlight for the black is Dungeon Stone Grey. This looks a lot brighter when it goes on than it should do, but once the wash goes on it darkens down. I wanted to give the Oblivion Black wash another chance, so I washed all of the clothing with this. It turns out okay, and the fact it doesn't stain as much as Army Painter helps in this situation. For all of those white parts, I base coat them with Silver Grey. To highlight up the white, I wanted to try out AK Interactive's white. This doesn't have much of that chalk-like texture that you would normally get with white, but it does come out a lot thinner than most paints. It almost feels like an ink more than actually paint. All the leather parts get a quick base coat with leather brown. I also used this colour for all of the wooden parts of her shotgun. There isn't a lot of exposed skin on her, so I went for Barbarian Flesh straight away, instead of trying to highlight up to this. The highlight for the leather parts is done with Dragon Fang. As with the rest of the minis for my Zombicide playlist, I'm going to give the base a quick once over with Plague Brown. The metallic parts are all done with gunmetal. For the leather parts and her skin, I give them a quick wash with Archaic Sepia Wash. And that will be it for Concepcion. She was nice and quick to get finished, and the black came out pretty well. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.